So welcome to our kitchen.
Welcome.
And the home of CancerPEP.com.
Woohoo!
It's actually right here where we film 26
This is where the magic
videos.
happens.
Every week during the 6 months, we send you a video of a plant-based diet. Essentially, Gabriella teaching me how to cook. And
Those cooking videos are so much fun.
Yeah.
It's not just about what you learn, but they're funny.
Well,
He's funny.
I'm the inept oncologist, and so it's fun to watch me kind of flail around in the kitchen.
So easy, even an oncologist can do.
It is actually quite serious as well, though, because we're trying to teach you to transform your diet to the best anti-cancer diet. And so it's plant-based, and as you improve your diet, it boosts your immune function, allows your organs to function better, you think more clearly, have more energy. Like, there's a lot of science around actually transforming your diet to the best diet.
Exactly, and we don't just talk about what we eat, we talk about when we should eat and what science shows about time-restricted eating. As Rob mentioned, we have daily videos in addition to those weekly cooking videos and more. Actually, we have more than a cooking video a week for you. We have live video conferences, and we're really excited to be with you and share all the science and empower you on your journey and heal alongside with you. Please join us at CancerPEP.com.
CancerPEP.com. Get PEP.